All right, guys. All right. How's everybody doing today? Everybody doing all right? Just wanted to do a quick little video here. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com, located here at 677 South Cardinal Lane here in Scottsburg, Indiana. We are built by the Amish and shipped nationwide. As you can see, some of y'all that are regular watchers of my show, you guys might notice something new in my cabin. And that is this lovely wood stove here, this beautiful wood burning stove. Now, as long as I've had this business and this channel, I would say one of the most requested things that we get as far as these cabins go is inquiries about, hey, do you all offer wood stoves with your cabins? And until now, we've always said, no, we do not. But we got reached out to and collaborated with this particular brand that does these lovely wood burning stoves. And when they brought over some samples for us to see the quality and the craftsmanship, guys, look at that. We just had to go in cahoots with them and start offering you guys wood stoves. So again, we're going to offer these in all different shapes and sizes, but we do have two models. One has been placed here as a model in our big BERTHA 3.0, and then we have a larger one actually that has been placed in our big BERTHA 1.0 rustic cabin, which I will show you in another video. Okay, so these wood burning stoves are awesome. This particular model can heat up to 1,800 square feet. Okay, so for example, this big BERTHA is 1,050 square foot of livable space. So this bad boy right here is more than beefy enough to handle heating up this whole cabin. Okay, so what's neat with this particular model is you got your cooking plate. It's like a cook stove too. So here you got your wood that goes in there. And then over here, you got your cook stove steel plate that you can just literally cook your eggs, your bacon. Everything can be cooked right on top of that. And you can actually take this off, and inside here, this is your kind of like your warmer. So if you got bread and things of that nature you want to keep warm, the pipe inside there keeps this nice and warm to where you can keep everything warmed up inside the warmer. And you could do your cooking on the cook stove right over here. So really, really beautiful wood stove. And again, these aren't on the website yet, but they will be by this time next week. So be on the lookout for these beautiful wood stoves that we're now going to be offering. Again, this is American-made steel, y'all. This is American-made steel. Y'all, most of y'all know that follow my show, we are based out of Indiana, and one of the really neat things with these wood stoves is the steel that is used to produce them is actually made right here in Indiana. So we're talking American-made steel, made right, produced, the steel is produced right in Gary, Indiana. So just a couple hours away from where I'm at in Scottsburg. Again, American-made steel, painstakingly handcrafted. Okay, there's something odds like 800 pieces that it takes to put this steel wood stove together, and it's just beautiful. And like I said, it's got the cook stove on top, you got your wood burning stove on the bottom, and then you got your warmer right over here. And underneath this plate, let me see if I can show you real quick. This thing is heavy. Let me set this over here. Underneath that plate is your cook stove, where you can literally, let me see if I remember. He trained me how to do this, so let me see if I can do this with one hand. Where you can literally, I got this special tool here. See if I can do this real quick. Where you lift this up And you see that there? You can literally put your kettle on top of that, or if you want the flames to hit the kettle or the pot to where it gets hotter faster, you can literally take that metal piece off and the flame will touch underneath the pot and get everything warmed up faster. So again, just a beautiful cook stove, and comes with this little tool here to kind of manipulate all that, and that goes right back up here. There you go. And then you got your plate here. It's hard to do this with one hand because this sucker's heavy. Oh boy, I don't want to break nothing. You really can't, this thing's all steel. So there you go. That goes back on there like that, and now you got your cook stove back. So again, whether you're looking for a beautiful cabin or a wood stove with a cook stove on top, guys, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. It's funny because we actually just got the wood stove installed in the cabin just yesterday, and we're already speaking to a sweet lady from Alaska who actually is placing an order for this particular model already right here. So we just got it on the channel, guys, and people see the quality and the craftsmanship of it, and we're already starting to get orders for these beautiful wood stoves. Now remember,